We are here this morning to address an important national issue. We say we have a responsibility. We have responsibility. Now they are attacking us. You can see the Efcc said we don't have right. We said they don't with lawlessness. Nigeria is not a banana republic. Nigeria is not a banana.
Keep recording. Keep recording.
Fight corruption with lawlessness. You
Okay.
cannot disobey the court order. I want to fight corruption with law. It is impossible. EFCC must obey court order. EFCC must obey court order.
Yes.
Yahaya Bello is innocent of lawlessness. You
Okay.
cannot disobey the court order. I want to fight corruption with law. It is impossible. EFCC must obey court order. EFCC must obey court order.
Yes.